Welcome back, guys. So in a previous video I said I needed to do the oil change on the tractor, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's get into it. So under here, we got the oil plug, which is this guy. I kind of cracked it loose already. We're gonna take them out. Gonna let this oil drain. I got an oil filter too to change it. Let me use my other hand. All right. We're gonna let this oil drain out here, and then I'm actually gonna save it so I can stain the side of my house with a little bit of diesel in there, and that'll make for a good siding stain. So while that oil drains out, I gotta take the oil filter off. I've already kind of loosened it, but I'll show you a little closer look. So you can see the oil filter there. It's in a really tight spot. I bought a filter strap. It's meant to help take it out, but it's too many hoses and too tight in here. Okay. Uh-oh. And anybody asking, this is the first time I've ever changed oil on anything, so this is all new to me. And I got the new oil filter here, and from what I was told is you kind of lube it up with a little bit of oil, so that way it seats nicely and seals. So I'm gonna do that. So for this tractor I'm using Shell Rotella, all synthetic, 15W40 is what Google told me to use, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and use. And I'm just gonna lube this seal up a bit so it sits nicely. All right, looks like it's drained enough. I'm just gonna slap this filter back on. I thought this rubber ring had to go back on, but it's actually from the old filter and it came off. So I thought I had to put that back on. Okay, I think it's tight enough. So in the comments, let me know how many ugga-duggas it takes to tighten an oil filter. Alright, so all the oil's drained. I'm just going to put the plug back in. It's actually not that much. I read in the manual it's only 2.7 liters. And and this jug is 5. So we'll just go a little over half. So I got the fill plug out and a funnel in here. Oh boy. Brutal. That ain't good. So there's actually a better place to fill the oil from the side. On the top there, it was spilling out over the belts and stuff, which I didn't want to do. So we'll fill from here. I need a bigger funnel. Throw this tray under here, so if I miss, I can save some of that oil for my stain. Yeah, that'll work out better. Get some extra oil for the stain. It's hard with these. It's hard with the arms in the way. So all the things you have to realize when you're off grid and working on your own stuff is all the tools and equipment you need, even just like bigger funnel, right? I'm using the ones that came with generators. But I'll learn from the next time. Make sure you got a bigger funnel. You're not dripping it, right? Oh, it's pretty slow going. This dipstick is very vague. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a line here and a line on the very end. Only up to here so far. I'm just gonna do a few more pours because I did spill some, so I'm gonna go a couple more pours. Because then I'll probably run it and check it again. Like I said, this tractor has over 100 hours, and this is the first oil change I've done, which is probably a no-no, but okay. It's really hard to see on this silver dipstick. So we got the oil filter on. It's filled up. Got all the caps back on. Now let's try to start it up and run it, and we'll see. All right, I'm gonna check the dipstick now after it's been running a little bit. I don't see any leaks from the oil filter, and the level seems okay. It's in between those two lines. I'm not sure if I need to add a bit more, but we'll run it for a bit and I'll check it again. So I'd just like to say thanks for all of you joining me today with the oil change on the tractor. If I can ask you all to like and subscribe, it would really help me out on the channel. And spring's coming, but until then, stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.